and this is my teammate P. Aditya Das. And we are from Air King Foundation, Odisha. And our project is called Masala Jipini. We saw in an environment people face problems like they cannot get masalas according to their taste. And also, every region of India has its own spice blend. So, people cannot taste, all people cannot taste every spice blend because different states have its own spice blend. So, the famous masalas of those states we can get in that state only. In the different states we cannot get. So, we have made masala jipidi, an AI-driven automated masala dispenser, which can dispense up to 500 types of custom blends from only just 10 basic ingredients.
With 10 other masala brands, masala jipidi is AI powered, on-demand, customizable with support. Other masala brands do not offer this.
So, we asked $4,000 for prototyping refill kits and take our idea to the market. So, we think it is possible. We also need mental and food tech, software and hardware.
Thank you for listening. We believe masala jipidi can bring personal taste to every trend in India.
So, let's join the masala revolution with masala jipidi. Thank you. Also, we are very thankful to Young King Foundation, Self, and ISF for giving such a great platform like this. Thank you.